Hello?
I'll be there in less than 10 minutes.
Okay, what?
I'll be there in about 15 minutes.
Okay.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can probably tell from the title and thumbnail of this video, we are going to pick up a E92 M3. Not for myself, but it's actually for my friend Nautic. He's been searching for one for a very long time. We just couldn't really find a good one for a decent price, because obviously the prices of these E92 M3s are skyrocketing insanely, especially for a low mileage one. But we finally found a good deal, and we are going to be heading out to buy it. It's actually about 2.5 hours away from us. So I went ahead and picked up the truck and trailer, and we're going to be heading out to pick it up. We were first going to go down with a normal car and drive the E92 back, but I was like, instead of putting those miles and stuff on the M3 and the other car, might as well just put one full tank of gas in the truck and go and come back. So I'm actually on my way to pick up Greg right now, and then we'll head out and pick Nautic up, and then we'll hit the road. So I'll catch you guys at Greg's house. Good morning. Sunday morning. Rise and shine. Hello, brother, man.
What's up, brother?
How was your 2 hours of sleep?
Fucking A. Tired.
Good morning. Good morning. Hop your ass in the back. Good morning, sunshine. Jenny. Hold this bitch. Oh shit. Jenny. Jenny. Hi. Let's go put some diesel on this bad boy and we heading out. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're making a quick little pit stop. About to put in some diesel in the truck, and we're gonna get some Red Bulls and shit. Bag secured. The gas boy, you done yet?
Yeah, I put a 87.
Damn, 80 bucks.
So
That's half tank.
No. I put 87 regular. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine, dumbass. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the guy's house. The car is actually right there. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but we're gonna go ahead and check it out first, and then we'll get back to you guys. Hopefully everything goes well. Alright guys, so Nautic decided we're gonna be buying the car. The car is actually up there on that hill. His house is like up there. I went ahead and parked the truck and trailer on like a flat ground just so we can load it up a little bit easier, but right now we're just waiting for him to bring the car down here so we can finish up the paperwork and get it loaded up.
You're gonna say the backstory now or later?
Yeah, we'll tell you guys the backstory in a little bit after we get the car all loaded up and we're on our way back home. But so much negotiations went down today.
Yeah,
Shenaniganism. But yeah, we'll let you guys know after we get everything loaded up.
Go. Ellie, metal.
Sounds like shit.
What does it need, Greg?
Sounds like shit. We need a new exhaust.
More power.
More power, baby. Alright, let's get this thing loaded up. You can record.
Yes, sir.
While I load.
Yes, sir. See the smile on my face? Yeah. Let's wash the trailer today. Alright, you're good. Put the gloves on.
Always stay clean, my friend.
First thing we're doing is taking this ugly ass wrap off.
Alright, let's go home. So before I get to the story, I'll go ahead, drop the car off real quick because we're about to pull up to the shop, and then we'll fill you guys in on everything that happened over there.
Ari. Yeah, very happy. These minor work. He had to break it in, huh?
Yeah, it does good donuts.
Alright, for him, you gotta move the seat back
A little bit.
just a little extra more.
It's leaning a lot more to the left with him in there. Alright, we got a little lean on this side.
Oh, yeah? Sorry about that.
Where did I stop off? I think I stopped.
Talking about Greg's big nose. Are you recording?
Oh yeah, it was in the truck. No, we went for a test drive and stuff. I can't remember where we finished off in the last clip, but yeah, we went ahead and pulled the car inside like the shop area. I'm just gonna show you around real quick and go over the story.
The whole backstory.
So yeah, so Nadek was supposed to pick this car up for.
We agreed to 35.
Yeah.
We got there. We noticed the wrap.
So we were supposed to get the car for 35 grand.
Yeah.
He was ready with the check and everything. And when we got there, we didn't like the way this wrap was. So whoever wrapped this car did a piss poor job. By the way, yeah, it's wrapped. I don't know if you mentioned that it was wrapped before,
wrapped.
but
and whoever
they
did
a
wrap,
piss poor job wrapping this car.
Go start painting or something. I don't know. They need to start.
And the wrap material itself is like really cheap material. You can see so many imperfections in there. But
the color looks nice, don't get me wrong.
Because they did a piss poor job, we're gonna have to pull this wrap off like immediately. Probably in the next video you guys will see us pulling the wrap off and hopefully getting this car cleaned up and stuff. Hopefully we don't get any paint issues and everything's good after peeling the wrap off. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
But yeah, we were supposed to get the car for 35. We went over there. We realized it's not worth 35.
Tried dropping it.
We tried dropping it to 33.
Yeah.
But
he was being stubborn.
The guy was just being way too stubborn. He wanted 35 for it. We ended up leaving. We actually ended up leaving and going to get some food. We stopped at In-N-Out to get some food. We were literally leaving to go home. 3-hour drive back home. And then Nadek,
I had a change of heart.
He had a change of heart. He wanted the car. So we offered him 34 final price and he agreed and we got the car for 34
Here we are
grand.
now.
And we didn't give any details of the car, but it is a 2012, so it's a later model. It goes up till 2013 for those who don't know. Sorry guys, it's dark outside, it's kind of hard to see, but it is a 6-speed manual competition package. That's why you see the competition wheels as well on there. You have the black and red interior. But yeah, it's a really clean model. It's got the iDrive too, so it's not the single hump package. It's got the carbon roof as well. And yeah, it's literally just a stock car. All it has is this carbon spoiler. Yeah, cosmetically it might not be the best, but the good thing is it runs good,
Runs like a champ.
Yeah, it runs like a champ so far. But we will be doing rod bearings, so I know
Yes.
those comments are probably gonna come, but we're definitely gonna be doing rod bearings soon.
Very soon.
And just a couple mods. It's not gonna be fully modded or anything like that, but
I like stock cars.
it's
so
gonna be a
don't
tastefully
be pulling up
modded
next
car.
to me trying to race and shit.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna do that.
It's gonna be a tastefully modded
Baby
car. Maybe
race.
an exhaust, some lowering springs, some spacers. Definitely some spacers because
Yeah.
that's some whack fitment right there, buddy. Front lip, maybe diffuser, but yeah, that's about it. But yeah, Nada picked up his dream car.
Yes, finally, after a long wait.
Should we go inside and see what the guys think of your dream car?
Let's go. Let's go see their
Let's go
reaction.
just get each person's reaction. Hold on, car review Chris, buddy.
Oh,
we
let's
gotta
do
get
it.
your review.
Okay, let's go check this
We gotta
out.
get your review on the E92.
Sorry guys, I'm limping. I hit leg day.
You hit leg day. What do you think about this? First of all, what model is this?
This right here is a E92 M3.
Uh-huh.
As you can see, 2012. Obviously, 2012. If you're a car guy, you know about cars, you know it's 2012. It has a wrap on here. Very decent job.
Decent.
Very decent.
I was just talking mad shit on it, Chris.
Yeah, shit.
What would you give it? 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
Yeah.
I gave it a -6 out of
I
10.
don't want this to be
bro.
on camera.
100%.
Overall interior, we got the black and red. My
You like
favorite,
it?
my
Your favorite? Oh, low miles also. I
Low
forgot to
miles,
mention.
wow.
71?
71.
71,000 miles?
I have more miles than that.
Yeah, on his body.
Overall, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. With the work that you'll put in, I think you can get it up to a 9.5.
9.5.
Congratulations.
You heard it from the man.
Sir.
The man, car review
It's a
Chris.
nice- It's a nice
CRC right here.
All I want to do is just sit back and just look at it.
Just look at it.
Just look at it.
Just look at it. But yeah, we got car review Chris's official stamp of approval review on the car.
That's
Let's
right.
go see what those
What do you
morons
think? What do you
inside
think?
think of the car, Chris.
Go, let's go.
Okay.
All right, boys, we got car review Chris's review of the E92 M3. We need everyone's review. Haraj, what do you think of the E92?
I think it's a great car. I love the color.
That's it?
Yes.
Your car?
I thought you were colorblind. How do you know what color it is?
It's great. I see gray.
An amazing car, great find, manual, D8 baby all the way. Congrats, man.
Great car, can't wait to take it out on the weekends, you know. Basically got a free 92.
Perch, what do you think, you blob?
I haven't checked the car out much, but it looks nice from the outside.
All right, you heard it here first, folks. Everyone likes the car. I think it's a piece of shit.
Who looked at that piece of shit? Who inspected it?
All right, guys, you just heard everyone's thoughts on the E92. It's obviously going to be a project. It's not the most perfect E92 in the world, but it is a low mile 6-speed car and a higher year car. So with that being said, make sure you guys stay tuned for this build. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.